Right, so I've got a bunch of my mail, so I thought I'd do a little mailbag segment. Ignore that, this is some packaging. So, here's what I've got today. I've got no idea what's in most of this stuff. Sometimes it says, but sometimes it doesn't. So let's just start with this one, eh? Let's see what we got. This looks interesting. If we go open it, it'd be good. Oh, okay. Right. That wasn't quite what I was expecting. Right. It's a whole bunch of thermal grease. Now, I bought some more because I was getting a little bit low. I've got a tube of it which is almost out, so I thought I'd better get some more before I do run out. And I was expecting a tube. I've got lots of little ones instead. So that wasn't what I was expecting to get. These are 1 gram. I was expecting a 10 gram tube. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So they still sent me 10 grams, but they sent me 10 grams in individual tubes. Interesting. Okay. Well, I was expecting a 10 gram tube. But never mind. That'll do. That's fine. So yeah, this is off of AliExpress again. Got a little spatula thing with it as well. Anyway, yeah, so see how good those are when I go to use them. Next one. Okay. These are little adapters which I bought for my computer, which will hope for maybe my phone. I'm not quite sure which one's going to work on. I'm not sure if these will work at all for me. There's a little 4-way adapters on here. It's a 4-way plug. I'm not quite sure what it's referred to as. A bit like a headphone plug, but it's got 4 segments instead of 3. And it's got a just get this thing off here, eh? Try to. Stubborn. It's got a headphone and a microphone section, which I split off to this. It doesn't feel like very good quality actually, but they were quite cheap, and it's actually moving around. There's no actual relief on it. It's not even moving. I've got 2 of these. The idea of this was to allow me to do screen capture and audio with my computer instead of setting the camera up in front of the screen. So I've got 2. It looks like it's glued shut. Yeah, it is. I can see the glue. That's a shame. Would have pulled it open to see what the quality is like inside without destroying it in the process. I think that's glue on too. But yeah, there's not much to it. It's just connections through to these ones to split it off. So you can have headphones and a microphone. So you can just plug a standard microphone into one of these digital ones. But yeah, I thought I'd give it a go just to see if I can use it on my computer. Yeah, what's next? There's plenty of packaging anyway. Well, it's a bit smaller than I expected, but okay. Another option for doing the video on the computer is a little USB mic. So I've got no idea how good this is going to be. It was cheap. I think it's like $10 or something like that. Everything I buy is from AliExpress. I did actually approach Banggood actually the other day and asked them if they wanted to send me anything. you know, for me to do reviews on my channel, and I basically said no. So that's a shame. Anyway, at least I replied. That's something, but they reckon I'm not big enough yet. They want like 10,000 subscribers or something stupid like that. Anyway, a long time before I get there. So I don't buy stuff at Banggood until I get to 10,000. Then I'll support them. How's that? That sounds pretty good. Now, yeah, so I have to give this a go. I might have to do a video and just do testing on these. Again, this feels like really poor quality. Yeah, it rattles around. I guess the microphone's not secured inside. What does it say here? USB microphone for PC or Mac, and in various languages. Superior clarity with voice access implications. Advanced digital USB. Noise cancelling microphone. Really? Okay, so that's what they refer to the hole in the back of it. Not really noise cancelling, you actually have two mic elements. Never mind. Power switch illuminates. Really? There's a power switch? No. There's no power switch. Microphone pivots on base, yeah, because it's got one of those gooseneck things. Specifications: -67 dBV, P bar. What? That makes no sense. And then -47 dBV Pascal, plus a -4 dB. What? Anyway, okay. That makes. So it's got. I think they got a Pascal measurement and a bar measurement. I don't know what the P's there for. It shouldn't be P, surely. Picobar? Oh, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, frequency response 100 Hz to 16 kHz, which should be adequate. Documentation English. Okay. I guess the documentation is what's written on the back saying this is the documentation. Yeah. Okay. So we'll give that a go later on too. Next. Oh, okay. Right, that's quick. I only ordered this Sunday. It's now Tuesday. Yeah. Would have actually not been doing this right now. Would have actually been up in a bit further north. My uncle died on the weekend, and his funeral's today. But it's about a 4-hour drive each direction, and there's a few issues there, so I ended up not going, even though I'd actually like to go. But yeah. So I'm doing this instead. 802.11n wireless unit. I've had a couple. Well, I've had one previously from a different manufacturer, so RA-Link or something, RA-Link, and yeah, generic CD. They work okay. The range isn't great, but they work quite well, and they're quite simple. You just plug it in, forget about it. You know, it's pretty good in that way. At least the other one is. So I'm hoping this one's the same. Standards: 11N, 11G, 11B, USB 2 backwards compatible to 1.1. So it's not USB 3. But then you wouldn't really need it for that anyway. Web encryption, WPA, WPA2, PSK, WPS, channel 1 to channel 11 or channel 1 to channel 13 depending on the region. RF power 11N is about 13 dBm, which is not that strong actually, but okay, well, you know, would you expect something this big? Yeah, other stuff's boring. Systems: Windows 2000 XP, Vista, Windows 7, Linux. Okay. What about 8? 8.1, 10. Anyway, we shall find out. It's going on to a Windows 7 machine, so it's fine. So I'll sort that later on. It's one of the kids. I had 2 kids fighting over the same Wi-Fi unit. So I'll get another one. Surprisingly cheap, these things. What are they? Things like $15 or something, New Zealand. They're really inexpensive. Last one. I've got no idea what it is. Certainly make it easier to get into, but maybe I should just open the end up instead. Anyway, let's see. Ta-da! That was fairly fast, actually. That's quite good. More AliExpress items. 1080p CMOS cameras. So it just says 800 TB lines here. I was surprised by that. I thought it'd be that high, but anyway. Let's push this one out of the way. 700 lines. Now, I think I did it. Actually, I think I did. Yeah, I did that video of. I'm pretty sure I published it. If not, I haven't. This CCD camera, which died of death. I did a little teardown on that. As you can see, it's still in bits. And I thought, before I go any further with it, I'll buy some new cameras, and so I bought these. Again from AliExpress, and I got those about 1.5 weeks ago. I bought them, something like that, so it's fairly fast, not bad. This all feels really cheap though. Oh wow, that's not the usual grade. Okay, so there's a base plate. You have this mounting plate here. Then you have the outer surround. And the actual camera. This is not very nice plastic. This is the hell is that? Like polystyrene. Doesn't feel very nice. It's got this little. Yeah. Okay. I'm pretty sure that little bit there should be on the inside. Let's have a look. Yeah, I can see through there, and I can see that. Yeah, there is one inside as well, but there's nothing to stop it turning and ripping the wires out. So, oh look, here we go. Right, it's looking, compare that to this thing here. They all look very similar, don't they? Looks very similar in fact. I was doing a visual comparison there actually. No, they are different. Okay, couple of screws there. Shall I pull it apart? Shall I? Yeah. You're going to be saying, oh, pull it apart. Right. Let's pull it apart. Before I even turn it on and see if it works. This plastic is not very nice, I have to say. So there's a little diodes assembly. On the back of the board there it says manufacturer, look, elpcctv.com. Okay, cool. Should I go and have a look at that, shouldn't I? This little standoff here is turning. Right, I saw it turn when I went to unscrew it. And there's the camera assembly, which I'm not going to touch. I'm going to leave it as it is. So the cable is cable tied both sides, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. But little crystal on there, interestingly. Means it's probably got some kind of internal memory or something as well to go with it. Internal clock maybe, because it does have one of these little joystick controllers on it. So for setting menu options internal to the unit. Yeah, what the hell? Let's go a bit further. Come on in. Let's do it. What could possibly go wrong? Is it all still attached? Yes, it is. Okay, this timer's got to come off. So this has got some brass inserts on the plastic there, as it does. So there we go. There's the camera module. And here this plugs in. So let's unplug it out. Let's have a look at this thing. If I can get it unplugged. Tight connector net one. Here we go. Alright. So let's get a bit closer with the camera. Here we go. So there's a Sony FEO. Looks at that. Here we go. There's the controller. 2014. Wow, that's quite old. It's nearly 17 now. And what's that chip there? I can't quite get the numbers of that. It's upside down. Let's try zooming on the camera a bit more. Make it a bit easier. There we go. No idea what that is. Anyway, it's a nice close view of the board. 15 volt regulator. Really? 15 volt? That's strange. Seems it gets a 12 volt supply. Yep, 78L15. Strange. Underneath this sticker. Let's have a look. Oh, down here. Another Sony chip. No idea what that is. What's that? D5148GG. Suppose I could look that up. Anyway. Something smart there. Is that a B? No idea what that significance is of that. Here's the front. Okay, I want to focus on there. Right, in case anyone wanted to see what it looked like. And here's the diode assembly here. What LED assembly. I'll zoom out a little bit, so we don't need that machine now. Here we go. Again, 12 volt, you can see 12 volt marking on those bottom connections down there. Just down here. And there's a website address. I'm going to have to go and have a look at that. So it shows 3.3 volt down there. And there's the front. Nothing too interesting there. Bunch of LEDs and the sensor. So yeah, okay. Well, bonus teardown, I suppose. I suppose I should try and put it back together again. Right. Plugs in. This one here plugs in. Is that the way around? Probably. Yep. So there's nothing there stopping that twisting around, eh? There's nothing to hold it. At least they've got cable ties getting pulled out. I will give them that much credit, but yeah, not sure about the rest of it though. So it's got little brass inserts in there. Hopefully you can still see that actually. I'm not quite sure what the focus is set like on the camera right now. I'm not sure which inserts these ones came from either. Probably doesn't matter that much. Probably not. Let's just have a little look at that. Yeah, okay, that's probably right. Probably can't see too much of this either because of the angles I'm using. Right. To leave that loose for now actually. Get yourself screws in. You've actually got these little brass inserts in plastic, so that's quite good. Instead of having self tappers, that's not a good. It's quite a good sign actually. Its quality has been considered slightly at least. Even if it's only slightly considered, it's still been considered. And that's got to sit on there like so. And I'll plug it in a minute and see if it actually goes. I won't video that because it's, you know, a bit awkward to get to and actually record. Come on, get in there. Pretty sure I haven't touched the ends. Try not to. Don't think that fits any particular way, apart from just turning and locking. Although it seems to not fit properly anywhere. Yeah, definitely not. It's good. I think that's supposed to be up there. Hold on. Yeah, I've got no freaking idea. I guess I'll find out when I go to plug it in, whether that's up or not. Yeah, I don't think so. There. Right. So anyway, that's that video. I suppose I should shove this bit back together too. It goes in there. It's really spectacularly yuck. Yeah, so I'll go and play with that and see how we go. Documentation. Nothing. No instructions on how to use it. Yeah, no instructions, no manual. Because it does have its menu system, which is probably set to Chinese. So I'm going to have to go through that probably and figure that out. Right. So I thought I'd just show you this part as well actually. If you look inside here on this mounting, get the focus on it, you can see it's got these marks inside there. See this? So that gives you an idea of the quality of the unit. Where it looks like the people in the factory, go on focus, have been having to hack away at the mould to make the product withdraw from the mould because it's obviously been sticking. Right. Too zoomed in now. Right, so obviously that's inside the mould like so. I can't see the gate. Where's the gate? That's a good question. Haven't found it yet. Yeah, so you've got these little marks in here where it's been just the mould has been smacked with things or machined. You see that's been drilled a bit there, or maybe hacksaw, or there's like drills there. So there's lots of little things all around it. Where they obviously have trouble getting this part to withdraw out the mould, and they've been using that to grip it more so it pulls out. So yeah, my guess would be that that's the fixed half of the mould here, and that's the moving half here, and it's got to withdraw it out when it comes open. So yeah, can't see the gating. Can't see a gate. Wonder where it is. There's so many dings on it. Anyway, thought I'd just show you that.